Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how you can clean your blending stumps. So there's a couple of different blending options. Obviously you can use your blending tools. So this time I'm just going to quickly talk about blending stumps. So you can buy them in packs, and these are the types of things. So they're the paper blending stumps that I'm talking about. And obviously when you buy them new, this is a newish one, they're a little bit cleaner. Even that one's not particularly clean. But the thing is, sometimes blending stumps are great when they're actually quite well used. You can use them to sort of draw. There's a couple of different colours on there. They can sort of blend in areas quite nicely. And if you've got a lighter colour on it, you'll have a lighter blend. However, there are occasions where you need it to be a little bit cleaner, and therefore it's best to clean it up. Now, so you can use a little bit of sandpaper. So I've got some various bits of sandpaper that I use. This for sharpening pencils and the like. However, if you want to use a clean bit of, or a cleaner bit of sandpaper, of course this sandpaper you can find, and you can just take off a layer, and as I'm doing it I'm turning the blending stump, and then I want to just sort of get rid of the majority of that stuff. That's the surface of that stuff there. Okay, so you see all the bits of paper coming away, and then you'll have sort of fairly fluffy end to it. You can then use a finer, you can, if you want, then use a finer grit sandpaper. This is a P400 grit, just to sort of try and get a better, smoother surface again to that. So you're just shaking off some of the worst of the big fluffy bits of paper. Okay, and then what you can do is, if you're using, if you want to blend a light area, so for example, if we had, I don't know, say we've got a dark area here, but then we wanted it to be lightened up with some lighter colours. We wanted that then to blend in, but we don't want to darken it by using a dirty sort of blending stump. What we can use then is our cleaner bit, and to get that even cleaner, especially when we're using light areas, is if we get a soft pastel stick and we rub that sanded bit of blending stump onto that pastel, get some white pastel onto the surface there. You can use your fingers, a bit messy, you can use your finger just to sort of push that into the end of the blending stump, and then when you blend, you can blend quite happily, knowing that it's not going to muddy and darken your picture like that would. Like that, you see? And so that's just a little trick of how you can clean up your blending stumps quite quickly.